It is impossible not to come across exosomes these days, whether you're someone who is curious about anti-aging or a doctor practicing aesthetic medicine. Every month, a new exosome product emerges on the market, promising to be better than the last. So what are they, and do they really work? Exosomes are really just extracellular vesicles produced from all living cells as part of their normal physiological function. Every second, the cells in your body are producing billions of such vesicles. They contain cell components such as lipids, metabolites, DNA, RNA, and proteins. Until today, we do not really know the full function of these exosomes, but we postulate that it's for things like cell-to-cell communication or simply to get rid of metabolites from the cell. What's more interesting is that we now know the information carried in these exosomes can alter the biological response of a cell, which is why they are associated with many body functions such as immune responses, disease prevention, and progression. Of course, we are more interested in how it affects the skin here. And excitingly, exosomes have been shown to have anti-aging and regenerative effects through multiple mechanisms. They wake up aging fibroblasts in the dermis and induce them to multiply. They also inhibit reactive oxygen species, restore the extracellular matrix, and essentially make the skin look and behave younger. It is indeed a promising field for anti-aging medicine. However, at the same time, the lack of regulation for exosome products mean that it is often very confusing and difficult for doctors and patients alike to gauge their efficacy. There are many factors affecting how effective exosomes are. First and foremost, the source of exosomes matter. Much of the research is centered on stem cell-derived exosomes. Then there is also the manufacturing process. How the exosomes are extracted, processed, and filtered affects their efficacy. Therefore, the exosomes you get in one product from one clinic can very well be different from the other one. Exosomes are currently only approved as cosmeceuticals, which means that they can only be applied onto the skin. This is really an emerging field in regenerative medicine, and it is only set to grow. A lot of research is now ongoing to better understand how exosomes work, but we are really still in the early days. Hopefully, in the near future, we can harness the power of these tiny cell signalers, not only for skin and anti-aging, but also for wider health benefits. We have new videos weekly, so remember to subscribe to our channel and other social media accounts as well.